everyone. First of all, excuse my hair. I've just got out of the shower, so it's not dried yet, so it's just looks redonkulous. But I'm gonna I was in the shower before. This is going to annoy me so much, so I'm just going to be thinking of this, I'm afraid. But I was shaving my legs, and a blob of shaving foam dropped off my leg, and I instantly thought, right, that's from a movie. But then I was trying to think of the movie, and I'm still trying to think of it now. So that's all I'm going to be thinking about. So sorry, I'm sure there's literally part of my brain that is dedicated to literally a list of movies that my brain just connects to whenever I do anything or say anything. It's ridiculous. Sorry, I've just noticed it. Because I have to draw my eyebrows on. Do you know how difficult it is? Trying to get them neat and perfect. It's so stupid. So anyway, if anybody can think of a movie where a blob drops, let me know. Because I just can't get it out of my head until I can remember what movie it's from. I'm not going to be able to concentrate on anything. Sorry. Right, so I've got this necrophonic thing, and in my other video I said that I'd been speaking to this guy who said it's not supposed to make any noises. But the thing is, it does, because I've seen it in other videos. Hang on, I'm just going to dry my hair a little bit. I've seen it in other videos being used, and I can hear some of the noises that I've played. So it does play noises. And the problem with them putting the phonic yeah in can quite easily be confused with the word yes. And so I've watched videos where people have gone, oh, it said yes. And I just think, oh, it could be that little yeah phonic noise. But anyway, so in oh God, sorry, I've just remembered what it was. Thank God. You know Mrs. Doubtfire? When she puts her head in the cake and a bit drops off in the tea, that's what it's from. Oh, thank God. Right, I can concentrate now. You see, this is how ridiculous. A bit of bloody shaving foam drops off my leg and my brain's instantly, wait a minute, what's that movie from? What's that from? God's sake. And I'm going to be farting around with my hair because it's not dry. So, getting back to this necrophonic, you can hear sounds, but there are not full words that you're supposed to hear. So if you hear full words, then that's something else. But the difficulty is that whilst you're speaking, you're over speaking you're sometimes speaking at the same time where this is coming out with noises. So what I'm going to do is speak first, then press play. It's the easiest way to do it, otherwise you'll just be there for donkalongs, trying to figure out what was said and whether that was you speaking or whatever. But in one of my videos, a couple of videos back, I can hear this giggling. Now, it doesn't sound like a sweet little hee, although that just sounded like a witch. It sounds like a gross laugh. So I want to try and eliminate that from coming through. I got up really early this morning so that I could do it in the dark. And because I've had this shower and I thought, oh, I'll just get a quick shower. Then I got in there and started shaving my legs. I was like, what am I doing? And I've wasted the darkness. So it's getting quite light. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about. So, anyway, this giggling, I want to see if I can hear that come through as like maybe a built-in noise. Or at least I'm hoping so anyway, because that was just gross. And what I'll do is I'll just ask questions and then press play. And I'll do it just on this white noise, because I've been using an app before now for white noise. To me it was good. Like I said, it's like the bed knobs and broomsticks theory. It works for you, but it didn't work for me, kind of thing. But I've been feeling really on edge particularly over the last 24 hours, so maybe something will come through, I don't know. Okay, I am welcoming anybody of light and of good intentions to come and communicate with me. The rest of you who are malicious can do one. So if you want to come along and say hello, that would be nice. Sorry about that. That would be nice. If you can just maybe introduce yourself and just say good morning or hello. I'll show you that. I show you every time, but it's just the same thing. Oh God. Hang on. I was going to wait until my hair dried, but then I thought, it's light already. Okay, so would anybody like to communicate with me today? So I'll just stop. You see, all these sort of like tiny little noises that you hear is just built in. It's automatic. So you can, when they, sorry I'm doing that, I'm not, it's just because it's getting in my eyeball. So like Dead, I've watched this loads of times on YouTube, and people are going, Dead, Dead. But it's just that "deh" sound. Anyway, I didn't hear any hellos or anything. And to be honest, I'm not really feeling anything this morning. Probably because I took so bloody long in the shower. Well, let's just play it one more time and then I'll stop this video. Would anybody like to say hello or good morning? It is Wednesday. Think about that. It's Wednesday today, What would you normally do on a Wednesday? Can you come and speak with me? If there is anybody in here. Thank you. Sorry, I'll try it with the reverb on as well. White noise and reverb. Choose. Okay, I'll stop it. And plus, I look gross. Because when you're filming and you're doing it at this angle, you can constantly see yourself. And I just look like, if any of you are in, no, what was it? You see, again, I'm reverting back to movies. It's so ridiculous. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.